Yeah, more bless. Great things there. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Mm-hmm. Well, I buy my pear yesterday. Pear feel right. Bag of bullet. Yeah, but and I gotta tell you how Shabba ranks pirate them bow. Yeah, that big tune that when him sing them bow, them bow, them bow. Yeah, I'll tell you how Shabba ranks pirate that. You see. So we grew up as a youth in a Rockford there. Particularly at that time, yeah. We were at the bottom of Norman Terrace. I hang out. You get what I say? I'm Bridge and I'll move on from the corner from out I slip that road Sea Breeze side. See? You with them Jameson. See? Cool runnings youth, can't see some parents them more, you know? Yeah, but Jameson have some bad lyrics. Jameson's a little aspiring DJ from out in the east, you know? Have some bad lyrics. Particularly them bow. See? Anytime that you walk in a dance, or more time we in a dance, a man they get called well away I see me in the group and things like that. The man they don't come and dance till late. You see the rest of we in there we done blending and ready and half drunk and we look the dog that I walk in clean. Them bust a sweat yet it was like him just made the dog have the whole artist thing. But from morning, you know see the man of him career, me I tell you something because we could have did see, could have smelled the stardom, you see, to the level of focus where the youth are maintain. You can feel them energy when my generator them a pass. Youth are bust two tune and thing like that star and baddest thing in the east, man. No man walk in a Blackstone dance, man. Any dance him walk in a man. Yeah, east people know say, yeah, dance I go nice. You see, John was star, so now man Captic build up a skate land out of East man and I promote some stage show thing. You see? And invite Ninja Man and Shabba Ranks and some whole heap of big artists, whole heap of big artists cause a star. Did that. You see, newspaper take picture of the crowd and thing like that. And I did not the crowd. I enjoy myself and thing like that and Shabba Ranks and the whole of them up the big artists, them up the star do them thing and can remember the night the Shabba Ranks have on a black silk short suit and a silk or satin short suit with a red and white stripe come down the side. Shabba Ranks remember the night. You see? And him and Ninja Man up there, I remember I think Ninja Man have on a green silk shirt and a brownish color pants, you know. You don't know. Mm-hmm. My Shabba Ranks up the star and our DJ run up, our little Rockford DJ run up Jameson. You see, because we know our thing sets up, but somehow them boost them up for go up there and you go up the star and take the mic, you know, because they mash up the place, a top artist them, you know, and mash up the place, you know. Jameson take the mic and say, them bow, 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 the girl them, them bow, the girl them, them bow, the boy them, them both Shabba Ranks and Ninja Man stand up and I look on the youth, so. Me can remember as a youth, me see the two of them, shock out of them wits. And just a stay up on the little youth, so like them I said, them never seen, we were the crowd, me say. Everybody in the crowd a move, man. All police a move, man. Me say the whole crowd a move, gunshot a bust, the whole, cause them time, me don't know. Oh, the whole place done, cause crowd from everywhere to there. So, and the tune, me tell you, so the tune just catchy and taking. You know, see, anybody will hear it at them time, like when you hear about bowing and them time there in general. People grieve and you don't know the whole thing, a riot. You know, see, you don't know, stage show done and thing and enough congratulations and enough big ups and enough prop to the general because you don't know you mash it up stark and see Shabba Ranks and Ninja Man there and none of them they get the forward where you get DJ. You see it and you don't know see the DJ future bright star for a week. You see it. We walk up and down and you know see it, the biggest thing, you know see it, for about 1 week, cap on the weekend, we just see a Shabba Ranks release, them bow, them bow, them bow, them. That's the whole Rockford stop and I look at it. Hey, I tell you something. I witness a man career, not a man career, but in confidence, in belief, in self-esteem. Dip, watch that dip, daily. Watch a man thing dip, like him just done. You know, I don't feel like it's a disrespect still in a Jamaican. Because I know I feel like someone bring me things that we have ability or whatever. But I know you don't know we're a grown man, I know we can assess and and describe the thing. How it appear to I and I. Yeah man, we see it come like say dwindle the man believe. Hey, you see nobody know you about Jamaican. You see it. Yeah man, Shabba Ranks take the man song, man, teach the man song, man, and carry it, sing it, record it, and mash up the world with it. You see it. A pirate Shabba Ranks pirate them bow man from Jamaican out of Rockford, man. You would never come back from that, man. You see, no disrespect, but yeah. Yeah, other song there, push him on road. You know see it. But yeah man, you don't know a part of the history that a little quick synopsis, you know? Remember the night the man in Shabba Ranks done a youth career, man. You know see, the youth chat one lyrics, man, and them career done, man. Yeah man, more blessed, man.